news, we all know you're getting the FANGs, all the tech, just everybody is reporting this week. So this is a real hard time to pick out the best charts, but I picked out 5 pandemic winners to take a look at for today's video to start this week. They haven't missed it all during the pandemic. Their shares are at or near new highs, and they're just crushing it. What are these earnings all-stars? Let's dive in and find out. So the first earnings all-star is Microsoft. MSFT is the ticker, but look at this chart. Does it get any better than this? I don't think so. Hasn't missed in 5 years. Shares are still surging here at new all-time highs. It is trading at 34 times earnings. That's not too bad and about where it's been for the last year or so. It was trading above 50 times, remember, in 1999 into 2000. So everybody who likes to look at this chart and say, oh, it's like the end of the dot-com bubble, isn't really the case, at least on valuation. But Microsoft expected to report another big quarter here. We'll see if they're going to meet expectations, which are very high right now. Then we're going to switch it over to the semiconductor side, Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. They also have this great track record, just like Microsoft, but just that one miss in 2019 that's kind of marring an otherwise outstanding record here. This one trading near the highs there, as you can see, but kind of treading water, so not quite as good a chart as Microsoft, and also trading at 42 times forward earnings. So that's pretty pricey here, which is why maybe we're getting kind of a timeout in the shares. But we'll see what happens this quarter. It could be a catalyst to push these shares higher. Then we're going to switch over to the beast, the king of earnings season, Visa, ticker V. This chart looks a lot like Microsoft's, no misses in 5 years, but they have not missed still, knock on wood, I'm knocking here, since their IPO in 2008. So they are the number one on the earnings beats on the S&P 500. And I know every quarter people tweet at me and tell me, Tracy, you're jinxing it. But so far, I haven't jinxed it. It has met or beat every quarter, including during this pandemic. So shares busting out to new highs. It is still pricey, but I complain about that every quarter. Still trading at 44 times. Market doesn't seem to care. The economy's reopening. This may be the one to watch. Then we're going to switch it over to the restaurant side. Starbucks, SBUX, also with this great earnings surprise track record. Now hasn't missed in 5 years either. So up and down on the stock a bit over those numerous years where it was treading water, didn't go anywhere, but busting out to new highs here on the Chipotle and Domino's earnings reports, which were outstanding. Everyone expecting the same thing with Starbucks. I don't know if you've been to one this summer, but it has some real hot summer drinks again that are selling out every time I go. They're out of coconut milk, so they can't make some of those hot drinks. But I'm still ordering something else when I can't get what I want. So this is one to watch. Trading at 42 times, though. Yikes, pretty pricey here. So they're really going to have to bring it on the earnings side. This will be a huge report. And then we're going to finish up with another hot one, Enphase Energy. This one has beaten 9 quarters in a row. So I'm putting it in the earnings all-stars category because it's managed to do it during the pandemic with big beats. These little green arrows right here are the magnitude. And as you can see, this one quite big, 27%. And then we had a 36% winner there. Shares kind of pulled back a little bit here. So maybe that was a buying opportunity, but we'll see if we can get, another breakout here after this earnings report. Shares aren't cheap at all, but you're not buying them for the value, trading at 90 times forward earnings. But this is a growth stock all the way, and we're going to see if it has the growth this quarter. So these are some outstanding charts, but that's just 5 out of the 1,000 companies that are expected to report this week alone. So a lot is going on. I'm going to be bringing you all the hot charts all week long, but there's more hot charts than just what I'm able to show you on these videos, because this week is the key week with all of our, popular glamour stocks. So be sure to follow me on Twitter and StockTwits to get even more charts, because I'm going to be tweeting out all the other hot ones like Tesla and others that I can't get to on the videos. So follow me there under my name, just Tracy Reinick at Twitter or at StockTwits. Either one will get you them. And I'll see you again next time with some more earnings charts.